One of Hollywood's funniest and most accomplished actors, Adam Sandler is under the spotlight as his bank balance has surpassed $420 million. We are sure that everyone on the planet has seen his comedy films at least once. Adam Sandler has been serving the film industry for more than 2 decades, and never has he ever disappointed his fans with a flop film. His movies are always on top of the charts. Let's get into the video and find out what Adam does with his millions. Adam Sandler is an American comedian. Hustling from a very young age in the industry, Adam has finally gathered enough fortune for his 4 generations to spoil themselves. The 55-year-old actor has recently been seen in the film Hustle, which was about the struggles of a fired NBA coach. While Adam's payment in Hustle remains anonymous, sources are speculating that Adam has signed a crazy $350 million deal with the Netflix streaming service. The man is almost going to multiply his wealth. Adam is said to charge $15 million per project, and brand promotions and endorsements are the least of his interests. He is more towards the producing and screenwriting side. On producing his projects, Adam earns an additional $5 to $10 million. He also charges a large amount for little cameos. But let's just end your curiosity about the Hustle star's lavish lifestyle. Hello and welcome to our channel, The Wealthy Few. In today's video, we are going to discuss the millionaire status of the Hollywood star Adam Sandler. So make sure to watch the video till the end to find out more, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos about the richest people in the world. Adam started his acting career in 1989, and since then, the star continues to hustle and climb above his competitors. There is no denying the fact that Adam does something to his character that actually makes people laugh. Adam has so far released 2 films with Netflix and has earned untold millions for sure. A month back, Adam announced that he was working on more million-dollar projects for next year, and we just cannot wait for his new films. Don't forget to tell us your favorite Adam Sandler film in the comment section down below. Only true fans know that Adam was an SNL cast member through his rising to fame period, which was probably the late 90s. With all of his films being famous worldwide, the Oscar nominee actor is mostly known for his Uncut Gems film and the grown-up sequels. It has been revealed that most of Adam's recent films have been produced by him, and all were a hit. No wonder they were so much better than the old ones. With his spot-on comedy, Adam has been able to sustain his place in Hollywood and have a successful, long-running career. Adam has been considered one of the most influential talked-about people in T magazine and has won numerous awards for his hard work. Adam has a very high profile and crazy real estate record. He has uncountable properties over the past 2 decades, and all of them were worth crazy millions. Adam currently resides carefree with his beautiful wife and children in a very calming beach house type of mansion in the coastal areas of Miami. Besides his great acting skills, Adam has a very giving nature. Since Adam produced the Grown Ups 2 film, he made sure to cast his close friends and family in the film. By the end of the film shooting, Adam gave every cast member a $200,000 Maserati as a thank you note. His friends were definitely not expecting such a valuable gift. One of the most jaw-dropping things he's done has got to be the time he casually dropped $12 million in front of Kurt Russell and his wife in 2004 and bought their whole home property. Of all the millionaire properties, this was certainly his expensive purchase. This was such an Adam thing to do. Besides casually throwing his millions on randomly liked properties, what cars does Adam Sandler own? Well, there is nothing for you to worry about because that is next on our list, so make sure you watch until the end to find out more, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great videos. Surely, Adam is a very humble and wholesome person, but when it comes to flaunting his millions, Adam doesn't hold back. Adam has an impeccable car collection with more than 10 cars. He keeps buying the latest versions of the world's most expensive cars. He currently owns a very flashy Ferrari 800. When it comes to a good spin, Adam loves showing off 2 of his favorites, the Cadillac Escalade and DTS. He also owns a Lexus, Lincoln, and Dodge Challenger. And that's all for today, guys. What did you think about the comedian's super rich lifestyle? Let us know in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed the video. We'll be back soon with more amazing content, so stay tuned. And don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our latest updates. Thanks for watching.